My name is Tim. I'm a DevRel Engineer at RunPod, and in this role I'm trying to help our customers to make the best of the platform, like a GPU cloud that we have, and also collect feedback so that we can improve ourselves and make sure that the platform adapts to our users' needs. This is so basically what I'm doing here. I actually started out as a developer to actually create a VJ software because I was interested into music events, especially drum and bass, and I always was fascinated about the visuals that were happening in the club, so I tried to create my own visual software, and this is like what I'm doing on the side actually as a VJ on events where people book me for their stuff. So like some weekends I'm actually spending 8 hours on my computer doing visuals live for the attendees. What was motivating me to join RunPod was that last year I had like a startup where we were creating like AI applications for customers, and we were looking for like a supplier of GPUs because like a lot of these were like AI related products. I then tried to find out, okay, like which kind of platform actually can provide like a good developer experience and also like good prices for GPUs. And then I found RunPod and was creating also some open source projects. And at some point when I wanted to move along and like do something else and not work with my startup anymore, I just applied for a job at RunPod, and then I got into the DevRel point. My job description is to connect with developers in kind of like open source communities and also give like workshops and talks and write technical content. Like from my point of view, like there's a lag between the people that are using the platform and using our open source things and the maintainability of these things, so that we can make sure that we are like leveling up our open source game and making sure that when there are issues coming inside and like people are not happy with some things, that we are actually fast enough to respond to these things so that our community is happy and are actually using the platform. So I think this is like the one of the largest challenges that I'm seeing here, and then where I'm trying to help out. For the future of AI in the next 5 years, people think of AI as something that is like a tool that is nice to have, but they don't see that like a tsunami is coming where everything is like wiped away and like there will be a clean state. So I'm not sure if it takes 5 years. I guess it will be like in 1 or 2 years already. So people are not prepared for that stuff, and they are just ignoring that these things exist and just not think about like what are the implications for their job and their daily life, especially for developers and engineers. So this is what I'm seeing, that there's a huge change coming and people don't realize this. I'm seeing so many things happening every day, so I'm not particularly excited about some specific thing, because like every day I'm opening X or like on LinkedIn something else is there that I was not imaginable before. So I'm just excited that can be part of this and see the change, and I'm actually like working with RunPod together to enable others to that they can build their ideas and make the change happen. I'm excited to how this will turn out for the greater of the people or not. Hopefully it will be good. If I can give any advice, like don't look away, just read or like find content creators on YouTube that you can watch, consume their content, and just be aware that AI stuff is existing and play around with many things as you can, because like this will affect anyone at any time anyways.